Oh, okay. So Nityashri, I have asked to bring one leaf. Any leaf if you have a plant or a tree at your house, okay? Just get one leaf of that plant. Any color, any shape. Yes. Keep it with you.
Ma'am, I have so many plants.
Okay, you can just bring one or two, keep them aside, and later we will see. Okay. So, one second. Okay. Yes, you can keep them with you, and later we'll be requiring, then we will see.
Mama, I have 4.
Okay, very nice. So, first we are doing this, then we will discuss. So, I am telling you these are the name of trees or plants or flowers. One by one, you will be completing this. So, we are starting with Nityashri. You have to fill in these blanks, and then we will get one tree or any fruit or any flower. Let's see what is the first one. Yes, Nityashri. You can tell me the alphabets and little fast. Okay, I'll give you one hint. We find these trees in coastal region, that is near the beach.
Ma'am, coconut tree.
Yes, it is coconut. 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 Okay. Next, Aradhya Verma.
Ma'am, rose.
Rose. Very good. If you are not getting the complete word, you can also tell me the alphabets. Okay. Third one, Akshit.
Ma'am, lotus.
Lotus. Very good. Aditya. Fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what will come here. These are the type of plants, flowers, trees, fruits.
Ma'am, grass.
Very good. This is grass. Very good. Okay. Akshit, next.
Ma'am, cactus.
Cactus. Very good. And where do we find cactus? In which region?
Ma'am, desert.
In deserts. Very good.
Because they do not want water.
Yes. Less water. Okay. Nityashri.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, bache.
Ma'am, mango.
Very good. It's mango. Okay. Aradhya Verma, last one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I know.
This is
Ma'am,
also
I know.
okay. Aditya, tell me.
Ma'am, watermelon.
Very good. It's watermelon. Okay. Now, as you all know, they grow on different types of trees. Yes, yes, in different regions. Some are big trees, some are small, some are very small. Have you heard about herbs and shrubs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in
So
second
today,
class, yes, book.
yes. So today we will be discussing these type. Now, what kinds of plants are there, where they are grown, okay, and what is their like they are big, they are small, or what is their requirement, how they can grow. So we will discuss about these things in this class. So I am sharing one video first and then we will discuss. You have to keep your mic on mute, everyone. Okay, 1 second.
In this video, you will learn about different types of plants with the help of examples and pictures. We see a lot of plants around us. They are of different types, shapes, and kinds.
Okay, so they are saying that there are so many types of plants. This we can see, some are very tall, some are short. Okay, just like we people are there, everyone is different. Okay, same is with the type of plants around us. They are different. Everything is different. Shape is different. Height. Okay, their width, everything is different. So they are all different types and in sizes also they are different. Okay, this is with all the plants. If we talk about coconut, this is a tall tree, and if we talk about rose, this is very short. Okay, so they have their identity. You can identify them according to their type.
Some are tall and some are bare. Some grow on land and some plants grow in water and some in hilly areas and some in desert areas as well.
Okay, as we have already done, that there are plants which grow. Plants we can see everywhere. They grow on land. Some grow in water. In hilly regions, we can see different kind of plants. In desert region, we can see different kind of plants. Okay. Now their major type is
Desert areas as well. Let us see the different types of plants. There are basically 5 types of plants, namely herbs, shrubs, climbers, trees, and creepers.
Divya Darshini, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, there
I can't hear.
are so many plants on the earth.
Yes, yes, very good. There are so many. Now we can, we are seeing the different types. So there are herbs, there are shrubs, there are climbers, there are big trees, and there are creepers. Okay, so let's see what are herbs, shrubs, climber, trees, and creepers in detail. I hope you have fair idea about these 5 types. Everyone. You people know about these 5 types of plants? Just give me a thumbs up, yes or no? Great, very good. Then we can move further. Okay. Now we will be talking about herbs first.
Mint.
Okay. Now they say that herbs are very small kind of plants. Okay. Herbs are small plants and their stem is very soft. Stem is so soft. For example, if we talk about coriander, green. Coriander, you know, hara dhania. Okay, if we talk about that, you must have seen that it is a very small plant. The stem is very thin. It is very soft and green in color. Okay, and they can stand erect means while they grow, they stand straight. Same is with grass. If you have seen grass, so it is also very soft and green in color. So they come under the category of herbs.
Can stand erect. Let us see
The examples are
herbs.
spinach. Spinach is your palak. Mint, pudina. Coriander is dhania, and then grass. Okay, so these are the ones that come under the category of herbs. These are herbs. Okay, small plants and their stem is very soft and green in color. Okay, now next category, next type is shrubs. Okay, now what are shrubs? If we talk about shrubs, first difference is that they are slightly taller than herbs. Sometimes more taller. Okay, they are taller than herbs. Herbs se bade hote hain. Okay, and they are bushy plants. That means you can find them in bushes. Like if you have seen a rose plant, the rose plant is वो थोड़ा फैला होता है. Okay, it is not very thin. It is a bushy plant. You can see leaves around the stem. And the major difference, their stem is hard and woody. Okay, the stem they have, it is quite hard. It is woody. Moti hoti hai. You can see. Okay, the branches of those plants are very thin. So in herbs, the stem was soft and it is a small plant. In shrubs, they are taller than herbs. They are bushy plants and their stem is hard and woody. So this is the difference between herbs and shrubs. Majorly we get confused between these two. So if we talk about herbs, they are coriander, they are mint. But if we talk about shrubs, they are rose plant, you can say jasmine plant, you can say hibiscus plant. So they are called as shrubs. Clear everyone? Any confusion? Nityashri, Aradhya, any confusion? Aditya, I can't see you, Aditya. Yes, keep your video on, bache. Clear? Herbs and shrubs we have done. 2. Number 3 is, let's see which is the number 3. Okay, climbers. Now, as their name itself says, climbers. That means they will climb.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have a climber, money plant.
Very good. Very good. So, climber itself, they have very weak stem. Okay, they are very weak. They cannot grow themselves. They need some help. They need some support to stand straight. Okay, so whenever if you have to grow a climber, you have to provide them some support. For example, you have seen in the money plant, they have added the moss in the center, or we put a stick inside our flower pot, and then money plant, it takes the help from that. Sorry, Divya Darshini, kindly don't write on screen, bache. Please. Don't write on screen. Okay, so climbers, they need support to grow. They need support to stand because they cannot stand straight themselves. Okay, clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vita.
Ma'am, climber needs support such as another plant or tree.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Climber.
Ma'am, climber needs support such as another plant or tree.
To grow. Yes, they need support to grow. Okay, they cannot grow themselves. You have to give them support. Any stick, any plant, or if you grow a money plant near your window, so it will take the help of that window and it will grow. Yes, so they need help because their stems are very weak.
Ma'am,
In herbs,
this is money plant.
yes, just like money plant, just like peas. Peas is your mutter. Just like grapevine, grapes, they need proper support to grow. Okay, so if we talk about herbs, tell me Akshit, how are their stems? Herbs.
Ma'am, soft.
Soft and green. Very good. Divya Darshini, how are the stems of shrubs? Divya Darshini, stems of shrubs. Shrubs की stem कैसी होती हैं? You were not listening, Divya Darshini, when I was explaining. You were writing on screen. That is why I don't know. Acha, just tell me, how are the stems of climbers?
मैम क्लाइंबर्स होते हैं जिनकी स्टेप अच्छे से खड़ी हो जाती है.
I want to hear the answer in English first, and just give me one word. How are the stems of climbers in English?
Ma'am, climbers means which plants can stand straight.
Climber stems stand straight. This you are saying? Okay, Nityashri, kindly answer, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer. How are the stems of climbers?
Ma'am, the stem of climber are very weak.
Yes, Divya Darshini, the stems of climbers are very weak and they need support to stand. They cannot stand on their own.
Ma'am, like money plant, pea plant, and
Grape and grapevine. Yes. Okay, Aradhya Verma, stems of shrubs.
Ma'am, shrubs की मैम मुझे इंग्लिश में
Try to speak. Sit straight first of all. Sit straight. Okay, now tell me.
Ma'am, shrubs has thin stem.
Okay, Aditya Kumar, you tell me the stems of shrubs.
Yes, ma'am.
Stems of shrubs. Akshay.
Ma'am, the stem of shrubs are hard.
Hard and
Bushy.
woody. Hard and woody.
We can find them in bushes.
Yes, in bushes. Please, everyone, pay attention. It is not very difficult. If you will listen to me clearly, you will understand. Okay? If we are talking about... Yes, bache, you can drink. If we are talking about herbs, if we are talking about herbs, number 1, their stems are very thin and green in color. Second, if we are talking about shrubs, their stems are hard and they are woody. For example, rose plant. If you have seen rose plant की जो stems होती हैं, वो hard है. You can't take them out like that. I'm talking about stem. I'm not talking about branches. Okay? And they are woody. वो थोड़ी मोटी होती हैं and woody means लकड़ी जैसी लगती हैं. These are shrubs. And if we are talking about climbers, so climbers, the stem of climbers are very weak. That is why they need support to grow. Clear, everyone? Divya, Darshini, Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
clear? Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
next we have creepers. Now, what are creepers? Creepers are the plants that grow on the ground. Okay, वो फैल जाते हैं आपके ground में. They also have weak stem. Their stem is also weak. Like we say to little babies when they are crawling. Crawling means they are walking, not walking on legs, but they are walking on their hands also and knees. They are crawling on the floor. Same is with creepers. They crawl, okay, and they grow on the ground. And they have big and heavy fruits. For example, pumpkin and watermelon. So with the example, if you will learn these example, if you will pay attention on the example, you will get to know the types of plant. So if we talk about pumpkin, now pumpkin is a bigger fruit. Yes, it is big. Watermelon is a bigger fruit. They are big. So they have their plants are called creepers. Their stems are also weak, but they grow on the ground. Whereas if we talk about climbers, they need support to stand or they need support to grow.
Ma'am, pumpkin plant and watermelon plant are creepers because they are so heavy that they can't stand like climbers. They
Yes.
falling down in ground.
Yes, they will fall down. Yes, so that is why they grow wherever they find plain surface on the ground. They grow, they crawl, okay, in the ground and they grow, and these fruits are very big also. So these are creepers. We call them creepers. If we talk about example of herbs, give me 2 examples of herbs. Divya, Darshini, fast. 2 example of herbs. Divya, Darshini, fast बच्चे. I can't hear you. Unmute.
Ma'am, herbs are like garlic, spinach, and grass.
Spinach and grass. Okay, Aradhya Verma, shrubs. Example of shrubs.
Ma'am, like rose.
Rose plant. Okay. Akshit, example of climbers. Unmute, बच्चे, unmute.
Money plant, pea plant, and grapevine.
Very good. Niteshri, example of creepers.
Ma'am, pumpkin and watermelon.
Very good. Pumpkin and watermelon. Okay. Aditya, you give me example of trees. Trees.
Banyan and people.
People, banyan, mango. Yes, these are trees. Now how you will define trees? Trees are very big plants. Okay, trees are big plants. They are very strong. Yes, They have so many branches and their stem is very hard and woody and it is called as trunk. Okay, if we say hard and woody is of shrubs also, so can we compare trees and shrubs?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
Okay, because yes, Akshit.
ma'am, ma'am, the stem of plant where plant stand straight are called stem, but tree stands straight by trunk.
Yes,
They
the
are
hard
not.
and woody stem of tree is called as trunk. They have so many branches. They are very big in size. Okay, and they also live for many years. For example, we have banyan tree, we have mango tree, we have neem tree. Okay, clear everyone? 5 types of plants we have done. Herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, and trees. These are the 5 types. Now, whatever we do, whatever we have example, they are under these categories. Clear? Okay, we have some water plants also. Those are also called as aquatic plants. Okay, and they are water lily, lotus. These are water plants. That means they grow in water. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second. So before showing you worksheet, I asked you to bring one or two leaves. I hope everyone has brought. Yes. So whatever leaves you have, just see. I have like 3-4 leaves. Leaves are different types of leaves.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
Four.
The leaves are, you can see their type is different. Colors can also vary. Leaves can be of different colors. They can be of different size. Okay. The size also like this. I have these are different leaves. This is not one, but different leaves. And the size is very small.
2, 3.
Yes. Even the shape. You can have a look at the shape also. The shape is also different. For example, if we talk about us, there are so many students in your class, but everyone has a different look. Yes, some are tall, some are short. Yes, so we are identified on that basis. Same is with trees, with leaves. They are identified. Now I have this leaf. This is, if I talk about its structure, it is very rough. The surface, okay, it is very rough. But same if I talk about money plant, this is very soft. Yes, if you touch, yes, it is very soft. But if I talk about this leaf, I don't know the name of this plant, but this is so rough. Even if I tear it, you can hear the sound. If you can. Okay, I am hearing. It is near me. It is very rough. Okay, and whatever leaves you people have got, just show me. Show me.
Ma'am, these two are soft and these two leaves are soft.
Okay.
And these two.
Okay, we can talk about their shape also. Yes, like Nityashri is having two. One is similar to this, but the other one has a different shape with cut edges. Okay. Okay, if we talk about Akshit, he has one money plant and other leaf. It is cone or triangular. You can in shape, and also the color is different. The color of that leaf is very different.
Ma'am, oval and this oval.
Yes. Okay. And the money plant leaf is, the shape is like heart. Yes, so we can see these leaves, trees, they are all different. That is why we can identify them because of their different things, different leaves, different flowers, different color. Yes, clear everyone? I think there is some network issue with other 2-3 kids.
No. Excuse me, ma'am, we should don't cut the trees and plants.
Yes, we should not cut trees and plants because main thing what we get from them is
Oxygen.
oxygen. Medicines also we get. Wood. Yes, paper. These are the things. Fruit, vegetables. So they are so, yes, there are so many things. Yes, fruits, vegetables. There are different kinds of things that we get from plants and trees. Okay, I am sharing one worksheet. Let's have a look. 1 second. Okay, so have a look at the pictures of these leaves. Now you can see different shape, different. They're the 1 second. Okay. Okay, so we can see that different shapes of leaf. Now, the first 3 leaves, they have completely different shapes. Even the texture, that is, we were talking about softness or roughness. Yes, it is also different. Then we talk about the size also. Some are big in size and some are very small. Okay, for example, if we talk about banana leaf, if we talk about banana leaf, it is very big or small? It is very big, yes. And palm leaf or coconut leaf, big or small?
Small and big.
Big. Palm coconut leaf, it is also big. But
Yes,
the
ma'am.
texture is very different. The texture is very different. That means if you touch banana leaf, it is very soft. But if you touch these coconut or palm leaf, they have very sharp edges. वो चुभते हैं. Okay? Then size also we have discussed. The size of leaves is very different as we have already seen. Now this leaf is too small. Okay? And here we have this, it is big. So differentiate. Now one more worksheet. Yes, beta?
Ma'am, I have 3 big plant leaves and 1 small plant.
Yes, but then also, if you have 3 big and 1 small, then also their leaves or their structure or their texture will be different.
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Even if we have 10 leaves, 10 की 10 leaves एक दूसरे से अलग होंगी. In shape, in size, in texture, in color. Okay? Okay, 2 minutes we have. Fast, I am sharing this. Just tell me the answer fast. Okay, the first picture is Nityashri. Fast bache, the first picture.
Yes, ma'am.
What type of plant is the first picture?
Ma'am, herb.
Not herbs. This is a shrub. Bushy plant. Okay, these are bushy plant. Okay, next is Aradhya Verma. Next picture, Aradhya.
Ma'am, climbers.
Climbers. Very good. Akshit, third picture.
tree.
Tree, very good. Aditya, next picture.
Ma'am. Ma'am, creeper.
Very good. Creeper. Niteshri, last picture.
Ma'am, herb.
Yes, this is a herb. Clear? If we are talking about herb, that means they have thin stem, but they can grow on their own. अपने आप उग जाते हैं, बड़े हो जाते हैं, ठीक है? But their stem is thin. And if we are talking about shrubs, their stem is hard, it is woody, and they are in bushes. If we are talking about climbers, their stem is very weak. They need support to grow. If we are talking about creepers, their stem is also weak and they grow on the ground. If we are talking about trees, their stem is very hard and it is woody and they are big in size and they live for very long. Clear, everyone? Any confusion?
Ma'am, clear.
Okay, great. So that was all for today. I will see you